Tenses. Tenses tell us the time of an action. They are indicated by the change in the form of verb. There are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Let's deal with them one by one. First is present tense. The action which takes place in present time is denoted by present tense. There are four types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Let's deal with them one by one. Simple present tense. Uses of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to refer to general truth. For example, wood floats on water. The earth revolves around the sun. These two sentences tell us the general truth, or we can say universal truth. So these sentences are written in simple present tense. Second use is to refer to habitual actions or things that happen repeatedly. For example, I travel by bus every day. We go to school every day. Simple present tense also denotes an action which happens on regular basis. For example, I weekly visit temple. We celebrate my birthday every year. So, these incidents happen after a gradual interval. That's why we use simple present tense to denote these actions. Structure of simple present tense: subject plus verb, that is base form of the verb, which is also called as V1, plus object. Here is a table which tells us about the to be verbs in simple present tense. See the table properly and carefully. This is the table which denotes the verbs, that is base form of the verb, which is used in simple present tense. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action which is not complete or which is going on at the time of speaking. For example, who is playing with the baby? The students are asking questions. I am going to market. So these things are incomplete at the time of speaking. See the structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. See the table carefully. It tells us which verb is used with a particular subject. In present continuous tense, verb plus ing is common, just auxiliary is different. See the table carefully and learn it by heart. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense refers to an action which is just completed. For example, I have finished my homework. Sometimes it refers to an action that has continued from the past till the present moment. For example, we have lived here for several years. Students, remember that we never tell a definite time in present perfect tense. Structure of present perfect tense: subject plus have has plus V3, which is also called as past participle, plus object. This is the table which denotes the subject and verbs used in present perfect tense. See the table and learn it by heart. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to indicate an action which began at some time in past and is continuing right up to the present. For example, someone has been knocking at the door. Natasha has been living in Aurangabad since 2012. So these two actions tell us that the action is continued for a long time. That's why we use present perfect continuous tense. Structure of the present perfect continuous tense: subject plus have has plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Here is a table which tells us about the subject verb coordination. Students, this table is very important in the study of tenses.